Hey friends, welcome to Brittany Bruce Education. In this video, I'm going to teach you the simplest way to formulate your mission or your business tagline so that you can start incorporating it onto your Instagram, onto your website, onto your social media platforms, and anywhere that you want to share that brand awareness to your specific ideal clients. Okay, but before we do, I want you to go ahead and click the links below. I've got a free workbook, a free business checklist, and a free Facebook group that's going to connect you with other believers in business. It's called Brittany Bruce Business Coaching for Christian Women in Business. It's a great way for you to connect with other believers in business and just have more business coaching sent to your way. So go ahead and click those links below and it'll get you started. Also, one last thing, like, subscribe, comment below. That really helps us make sure that we can formulate more YouTube videos for you that are absolutely free and free of charge. So, okay, y'all, this is gonna be a very quick, easy, simple video. And I'm really excited because this is gonna be like a 4-minute punch, go. And here we go. So you need a mission statement for your brand. This is what's going to help really have brand awareness for your followers, for the people who are interested in your products and services. It's also going to separate you from that other business owner down the street who doesn't have a mission statement, who doesn't have a clear vision on how they're serving their clients. Super, super important. And this is a really quick thing that you can put on your Instagram bio and at the top of your website so that when people find you for the first time on your website or social media or your Facebook business page, they'll know immediately, yes, I'm in the right place, or no, this is not for me. Okay? So if you're taking notes or like pen and paper, I want you to write this little line down. We serve blank to help them with blank so that blank. Okay? And I have it right here for all my visual learners. Okay? So we serve your ideal client. Who is your ideal client? Is it Christian women in business? Is it joyful brides? Is it hopeful college graduates? Like, who is your ideal client? How can you name them in a way that they'll know this is me? This is for me. Okay, so we serve, enter your ideal client here. Okay, we serve blank to help them with what's their pain point. Okay, if you're not quite sure what their pain points are, go to our previous videos that talk about your ideal client and how to really kind of like hone in on what they need, what they struggle with, internal, external struggles and their pain points. So what is an overall pain point that they need help with that you can solve with the products that you offer? Okay, so we serve ideal client to help them with their pain point so that what is their ultimate dream life that you can help them with. Their pain point is solved, and now they can live a life that looks like this. Okay? So we serve ideal client to help them with their pain point so that what does their life look like once they've worked with you? Once they've gotten your product, once they've, gotten your service, what does their life look like now? This is your mission. So if you saw that previous video about having a mission, and that's going to help separate you from the saturated market, and you're like, I just don't know what the mission is. This is your mission. This is your business tagline. This is when you're at a party or you go to your grandma's house and she's like, so what do you do? I'm not quite sure what you do. Well, grandma, I serve Christian women in business to help them grow their faith, build their brand, so that they can live a life that is full of abundance and the success that they've always hoped and dreamed of. Memorize it, practice it, say it over and over and over again. And when somebody asks you what you do, don't just be like, oh, I just have this little side hustle. Oh, I just do this. Oh, it's nothing really. I just help people do stuff. No. You're going to share your mission statement. It's going to be your elevator pitch. It's your business tagline, whatever you want to call it. It's your Instagram bio. Share it everywhere. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful. Go ahead and add that. If you know your mission statement, or if you want to put it in the comments below, I would love to see the mission statements. I would love to see the business taglines below. It could be short, it could be sweet, it could be simple. And if you have any questions about it, I'm here to help you. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, download all of the free stuff that I have for you, and join us in the free Facebook group. All the links are down below. So I love you guys. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.